Good morning, students. Hope all of you enjoyed your weekend. In previous class, we have already done the reading and explanation of the yellow butterfly. Today, we are continuing with the new words of yellow butterfly. Watch the video carefully and try to learn the meaning of new words with the help of animated images. Our first word is escape. ESCAPE. Escape means to run away. और in Hindi बचकर निकलना या भागना. Look at the picture. The cat is escaping from the cage by unlocking it. Next word is pond. It means a small body of water. In this picture, you have seen that the baby duck enjoys swim in the pond. Next word is peach. It means it is a name of a yellow juicy fruit. In Hindi, it is adu. Look at the picture. The man is trying to pluck the peach from the tree. How beautiful is peach looking in this tree. Next word is climb. Means to go up. और in हिंदी चढ़ना या किसी चीज पर चढ़ना. Look at the picture. The cartoon Pooh is trying to climb the top of the tree. Next word is catch. Means to hold something that has been thrown. और in Hindi पकड़ना. Give a look at the picture. The Tom catch the Jerry and is playing with Jerry now. Next word is middle. At an equal distance of something. Means बीच में. किसी भी चीज के बिल्कुल सेंटर में या बीच में. Give a look at your palm. The middle finger is equidistant from thumb and little finger. Next word is hungry. Hungry means need for food. Means bhook lagna. In this picture, the Jerry is very hungry and asking for food to eat. Next word is float. Means to move slowly or lightly in a liquid. In Hindi, it means तैरना. In this picture, the boy is floating in the swimming pool with the help of floating tube. As you observed from the picture, this boy is enjoying with the help of floating tube in the swimming pool. Next word is shout. Means to utter a loud cry. Means जोर से चिल्लाना. Give a look at the picture. The boy is running and shouting as he is scared of something. Next word is chase. Means to catch up और पीछा करना. पकड़ने के लिए किसी का पीछा करना. In this picture, the dog chased the Tom and tried to catch it. Next word is flutter. Means to flap the wings quickly or lightly. In Hindi, पंखों को फरफराना. In this picture, as you see the butterfly, the yellow butterfly is fluttering its wings. Next word is twist. Means form into a bend. Means एटना या मोड़ना. In this picture, the bunting are twisted to make a design or pattern as we decorate our homes on special occasions. Hope all of you understood the meaning of new words. Now learn the spelling of new words. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.